Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. So we just got done doing an outdoor window clean here in Elkhorn, and I thought I would just walk around, do a quick explanation of how everything went. The windows here in the front turned out great. We're super happy. We had to clean these windows here by hand. So both sides got cleaned here, so super cool. A lot of nasty stuff in the track there, got that out. So we got all these windows cleaned here up high, nice and fancy, and some of the windows down here had some screens on them, so we removed the screens, cleaned off the screen a little bit, cleaned the outside windows, wiped the track out, and got the screens back in there. So you're set to go. And we missed a couple spots, but we came back here and we made that section really good. So we're hoping that we got everything cleaned up really nicely for you. You should be super happy about all of the windows. And if there's in the future you'd like to have us do your inside and out window cleaning, let us know. Now there was 3 storm windows on the other side of your house that we didn't do because that requires us to do on all of that from the inside. It's snowing in June. You see the cottonwood trees? But these storm windows on this side of the house, we didn't do them because it's 8 sides of glass and we would only wash 2. It wouldn't really make any difference. In the future, it's $60 for the glass, screens, track sills, for us to do that. We'll do that from the inside, disassemble it, reinstall it real nicely with our gloves on. In the future, when you're ready, we'd be glad to do any power washing of your concrete, your deck, maintenance there. We'll pick this up for you before it blows away. So thanks so much for having us here. Really appreciate it. Any questions or concerns about our service, you can call or text me on my cell, 815-520-6020. Thank you.